Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I did this protective style. I installed some knotless crochet Senegalese twists or rope twists. For those of you who are already subscribed to my channel, you may have participated in the poll that I posted a couple days ago. I let you guys know that I was going to be doing a protective style and I was going to film it. And I wanted you guys to let me know whether you wanted to see box braids or rope twists, and you guys voted for twists. I'm going to try not to ramble too much. I want to go ahead and talk about what products I'm using before we go ahead and get into the tutorial portion of this video. And if you guys like videos like this and you want to see more here on my channel, hit that subscribe button. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, and let's go ahead and get started. Let's go ahead and talk about the hair that I'm using for this install. This is by Main Concept. This is their AFRI-NAPTURAL 52-inch pre-stretched knotless hair. Whew, that's a mouthful. And I have it in the color T1B27. So this hair comes already pre-stretched, pre-feathered, and it is pre-divided to make your knotless install more easy, which is great. And this is a jumbo pack, so you get 3 bundles per 1 pack. I'm gonna let y'all know right now, I used 1 pack for this install. That's right, 1. And I actually have some more hair left over. I did purchase the hair myself, so it is sponsored by me, and I purchased it from Shop Beauty Depot. I love them. They're out of Florida. I think they're out of Jacksonville, so I usually get my orders within like a day, maybe 2 days, so it's really convenient for me. If you live in Florida or the surrounding areas and you want to order some hair and get it super quick, they are always on point. I would place an order at like noon. It would be shipped by 3, and I was like, that's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. That's why I messed with them. So I will leave their website link down below. They have a lot of different products on their website. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into the install portion of this video. I know that's what you guys came here to see, and I will check in with you guys at the end. Alright, so welcome to the tutorial portion of this video. I'm going to show you guys how I am getting these crochet knotless rope twists, Senegalese twists, whatever you want to call them. I am pretty much all done. I only have a handful of twists left to do. I did go ahead and pre-part and section out my hair, and that's honestly what took me the longest. I have done all these twists in about 40 minutes because I was watching an All of Destiny vlog. Just in case you guys missed it, if you want to see how I prep my natural hair for a protective style, I have already posted that video. I will link it up here in the cards for you guys. That video is going to show you how I take down braids from an old protective style, wash, condition, deep condition, blow dry, all that. So if you guys are interested, watch that video. And then, so if you guys are interested, go ahead and watch that video and you'll get some more information on how I protect my hair, seal in the moisture, and all that goodness. So let's go ahead and get into the tutorial. While I was parting my hair, I secured a rubber band because I am doing the rubber band method. I only secured it very loosely. As you guys can see, it's not on my scalp, and I only wrapped it around about 3 times. Now I'm going to go ahead and go in with my DIY shea butter. This is my whipped shea butter, even though it has hardened up a little bit. But once I rub it in my hands, it does kind of like melt really quickly into like a nice like whipped texture. And I'm just going to run that along the hair, so that way I can seal in the moisture. When you're using braiding hair, you definitely want to make sure that your hair is moisturized because it can be drying, and you just want to, you know, protect your natural hair as best as possible. And in that video that I did showing you guys how I prepped my hair for protective styles, when I was taking those braids down, my hair was still soft. It was really soft, and I was very surprised because this was the first time that I had used my shea butter for like a protective style. I was like through the moon happy with how my hair felt taking the braids down, you know what I'm saying? So for each twist, I am taking 3 sections, and I love that this hair is already pre-sectioned for you, and it's secured with a really tiny piece of hair, so it's not bulky or anything like that. So for each twist, I'm taking 3 sections, which is about like this thick, and I'm going to crochet that in underneath the rubber band. And you only want to pull through 1 leg, so that way it looks like this with your hair in the middle. Now that I have the crochet hair in, I'm going to secure the rubber band a few more times, just wrap it around my hair so it's nice and tight. And then I'm going to stretch it so that it's sitting against my scalp. Now that I have pulled it so that it is tight against my scalp, I like doing this method because you can control how tight your twists are. And if you want them to last longer, obviously do them a little tighter. Just try to be mindful of the tension that you're putting on your natural hair, because we are not trying to lose any of our hair or have any breakage or anything like that. Once I've tightened it, I already have my natural hair in these two sections. So I just put it with the braiding hair, so that way we have an even amount of hair to do the twists. I just have a little bit of my favorite edge control on my finger, so that way my hair is like constantly being coated with edge control as I'm twisting, and then I'll add more as I go down. And now for the twisting process, you want to twist as close to your scalp as possible, that way you can seal the rubber band. And each time you twist the hair around, your hands should be doing this type of motion. That's how you get the rope look. So every time I twist, I go like this. You can also twirl it in your thumbs. That helps as well. That's what's really going to secure your twist so that it doesn't come unraveled. And then I can see I'm getting towards the end of my hair and it's kind of looking a little frizzy. So I just go in with some more edge control and slit that down. And then once I get to my ends, I take a little more edge control. I know it sounds like I'm going in really heavy, but I am, because I want my hair to be secured. And see right here, I have a little bit of unevenness, so I just borrowed a little bit of hair and just keep twisting. All right, this twist is a little messy because one of my curls popped out. I'm not gonna fix it. I'm just gonna let it be. It's fine. I don't care. And the nice thing about this hair is that it already is pre-feathered and pre-stretched. So you can just go ahead and twist right down to the end and not have to worry about anything being uneven or having any like bulky, like blunt ends, because you don't want that. You want it to look really nice and tapered. So I really love this hair. I think that it's amazing. And I haven't even used one whole pack yet. And I don't think I will, which is nice. I don't twist all the way to the end, but I twist far enough to where I'm like, you know what? That's fine. That's good enough to stop. And then I kind of just like twirl it around my finger and leave the tail. And there we go. There is our jumbo rope twist. I'm going to go ahead and walk you guys through this one as well. And then we'll go ahead and just fast forward through everything else. I'll let you watch how I'm doing it, but it'll be obviously sped up. So that way this video isn't super long. So I'm just coating my hair with my shea butter. I'm gonna secure the hair on the hook, close the latch, and I'm going to pull one side through. So that way it looks like this. So once I have tightened the rubber band and I have my hair split into two sections, I just put it with the hair, and then I'm gonna go ahead and start twisting. And we want to do that flick of the wrist motion while we're twisting, so that way we conceal the rubber band at the root and get that rope look. And still twisting. Fling that thing to the back, and I'm gonna go ahead and speed on through the rest of this portion of the video just because you guys have seen it. I might show you one more time once I get to the last one. I only have 5 more to do. 5 more. If you say that you don't wanna get close to me, close to what we used to be, but I just feel like dancing. Are you feeling it too? Feels, babe. Won't you love me the old kind of new way?
Don't you like dancing? Are you feeling it too?
I finally finished and I am so happy with how these are looking. I absolutely love them. I did go ahead and dip my ends into hot boiling water and just towel dried it so that way they look very, you know, they ain't stiff. I know some people may want to know how many twists I have just so that you can go like off of a point of reference. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So I have 19 twists total in my head, and I went through one pack and I still have one bundle in that pack left over. I actually had to dip in and get about like 3 or 4 strands out of that pack, but pretty much I used 2 out of the 3 packs that come in one pack. Okay. I do think that this method is beginner friendly, and even if you are somebody who is not super good at gripping hair, which I'm not, the rubber band really helps with that, because I know a lot of people install their Senegalese twist with no rubber band and they twist at the root. I just don't like that. I feel like it causes more tension, but that's just in, you know, my opinion. So yeah, let me go ahead and show you guys what they look like. I have a bodysuit on and it's not clipped, you know, YouTube life. So this is how long they are. This is my belly button. So they stop like right at my belly button at my waist. I love them. The only thing is that I kind of wish that the 27 color came up a little bit higher, but I'm not mad at it. It is kind of highlighted throughout, but it is super predominant here at the ends, but I just wish it came up just a little bit higher. Because I love this hair so much, I think that you guys will really enjoy it as well. I want to do a giveaway. I want to have 2 winners because I have 2 whole packs of hair left. So I want to give that away to one of my loyal subscribers, somebody who has made it to the end of this video. So yeah, that's why I didn't announce that this video was going to be a giveaway, because I wanted somebody who's going to watch the entire video to have a chance to win. So do not put giveaway or anything about enter me in the comments, because I will delete it, because I don't want anybody to know that this is a giveaway. The only thing that I want you guys to do is like this video, follow me on Instagram. Make sure you have an Instagram, because that's going to be how I notify you if you are the winner. The last thing, just leave me a comment and let me know what hairstyle you have been loving and that you would like to try on yourself, so that maybe if you get this hair, this could help you achieve that style. And that's it. I will probably leave this giveaway open for about a week. You guys can check back in a week from the day that this video is posted to see who the winner is. I will pin their comment in the comment section, and I will have sent them a DM already. So make sure you have an Instagram and make sure that your Instagram is public so that I can message you. I do want to mention that the other 2 packs of hair are this same color. It's the T1B27. I've already purchased it, so that's what you're gonna get. I hope you like it, you know what I'm saying? I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I mentioned, if you want to see more videos like this from me in the future, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss an upload from me, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!